Just wanted to make a quick video. Had a couple of upgrades I made to my Jeep. One being the front bumper. I don't have a winch for it yet, but someday. I still have to mount my light bar. It's not attached, but it's up there just for the moment. Another thing I did is got some Chromoly axle shafts installed in there, and while I was under there I noticed that my upper control arm bracket is coming off. See if I can get a better view. So broke the welds, or the welds are still good, but the bracket broke. So what I'm gonna do is get a truss. I've already bought it, just waiting for it to come in. I'm gonna have a buddy of mine weld that on there. And it has the integrated upper control arm mount into it. I got the one with the Curry Johnny joints to get some better flex. But I'll make another video and you'll be able to see the truss on the XJ. I'm pretty excited about it.